Honda Fit 1.5 engine 2008 to 2013. The starter is located at the front of the engine, under the intake manifold and behind the thermostat hose. Because of this, before replacing the starter, you need to remove the thermostat house since it will be in the way. Before removing the starter itself, also you need to disconnect the battery. Then unscrew the two bolts securing the starter to the engine, and finally disconnect the electrical connectors and main wire from the starter.